Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. January 5th, 2022. This is how markets are opening up, and I want to just discuss one aspect that is taking place right now, which is on the daily for the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ right now down about 0.8%, and if we take a look at where the NASDAQ closed yesterday on its daily, we see that the NASDAQ closed with its daily RSI at 51.12-ish. So let's call it 51. And the understanding here, as I mentioned yesterday in a video to paid clients, be on the lookout for the day when the NASDAQ drops below 50. If it drops below 50, chances are we are going to see the market have a relatively big up day and high likelihood that the market closes at session lows. So this is yesterday's daily chart for the NASDAQ. If I take a look at the current daily chart, we can see that for sure with today's gap down, and it's a big if, we don't know. So it's early in the session. We don't know whether the market keeps the NASDAQ below 50. But right now, the RSI for the daily for the NASDAQ is at 48. So for sure, it is dropping below RSI 50, which means that the likelihood for a relatively big up day is now there in the market in terms of the relative range recently. The last time we had a drop below 50 was here in November, which constitutes these 2 days. In other words, if you are looking for a swing trade opportunity and you're a day trader, and if you understand this RSI 50 concept, it means that for today, from a swing trade perspective only, you start leaning to a market that wants to go down, and understand that the more the NASDAQ stays below 50 for the day, the more it's going to drag and pull most asset classes lower, including the Dow and the S&P 500 as well. So right now, again, market's been open for about 7 minutes. I want to record this quick video to explain the concept which I call RSI 50 crossing, which is my own researched method, an original concept by yours truly, now sharing it with you freely. Now, I'm going to link other videos, other playlists in the description of this video to expound on this idea further. This was just a brief video. If you are playing the market from a day-to-day perspective, intraday price action, it is important to understand the consequence of RSI 50 crossing. And so it is. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth therefore rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.